good, everybody? It's so nice that you're here again. My name is Vladimir, Vlachi for my friends, and if you love talking about conditions and results in English, guess what? You're my friend too. Have you heard about Ultimate Frisbee?
No, it's not about throwing a frisbee to your dog. It's a fast-growing and exciting sport which is played worldwide and has a unique feature. It's self-officiated. That means players are in charge of applying the rules without a referee.
In this video, I will teach you how to use zero conditional sentences to talk about conditions and results. We're going to use some of the basic rules of Ultimate Frisbee. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Ultimate Frisbee is a non-contact sport played with a flying disc or frisbee. It's generally played 7 versus 7 in a grass field or turf with 2 end zones similar to the one in American football. The objective of the game is to score points or goals by receiving the frisbee inside the end zone.
Now that you know a little bit more about Ultimate Frisbee, let's take a look at some of its basic rules.
But first, let's take a look at the zero conditional. We use it to talk about situations that always happen if a condition is met, such as rule, facts, or instructions. Let's start with the first rule, which is the travel call. If you catch the disc, you're not allowed to walk. Conditional sentences are made of 2 parts, a condition and a result, which are often referred as the if clause and the main clause. They can vary in order and the meaning will remain the same. However, if the main clause goes first, you don't need to use a comma. Let's take a look at other examples. Goal. You score a goal when you catch the frisbee inside the end zone. Foul call. If you initiate contact with another player, you commit a foul. Turnover call. You lose possession of the frisbee when you catch it out of bounds. Stall out call. If you hold the frisbee for more than 10 seconds, the other team gets it.
So, what do you think? Pretty exciting, right? Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite part about Ultimate Frisbee. Let's make a quick review about zero conditional by completing the next sentences.
If you want to play Ultimate Frisbee, A. If you like it, B. When you play it outside, or C. You have to learn the rules. The answer is C. You have to learn the rules. Remember that conditional sentences are made of a condition and a result. Number 2. When you catch the disc inside the end zone, A. You score a goal, B. You lose possession, or C. You commit a foul. The answer is B. Don't forget we can replace if with when and the meaning will remain the same. Number 3. Choose the correct option. The answer is B. Remember, we don't use a comma when the main clause goes first.
So that's my time for today. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, if you subscribe, you're not going to miss out on any video. See you next time. Bye.